Hello everyone, welcome to another edition. So today again I'm going to continue with the work for Excel, how we can like mainly I will deal with in this video Excel errors. Some of the errors in Excel, mainly maybe when we are performing like calculations on Excel, always when we are performing calculation on Excel, so some of the things will keep on like appearing on our shells where we are working in, like where our work is, and probably some of these errors you'll not get to know, like you'll not understand like what is the meaning, what does it mean, but you just see maybe like an abbreviation just on that very shell. So today I'm going to take you through some of these Excel errors, how you'll get to know like this Excel error, then how to solve that Excel error. So in this video we'll cover that. So probably let's get to work. Let me go to Excel, then we see some of these errors and how we can solve some of these errors. So this is my Excel. So probably this is my Excel. Let me tap on it. So you can see that's my worksheet 1, book 1. So some of these errors in Excel, one of them is when you divide a number by 0, automatically that error will appear. Or let me type something here. For example, let me say maybe in this shell, let me first make it active, maybe 12, then let me put here maybe 50 or 23. So let me say I want to add this shell. Let me put this one 0. Sorry. So let me see, I want to divide 23 divided by 0. So in Excel it will be an error. You cannot divide anything by 0, so automatically it will be that error. So to solve that error, you should not divide anything in Excel by 0. Automatically when you delete when you divide something by 0, automatically that's what an error in what division. Let me say it's a division error. Automatically it will pop in. Or let me say like I want to divide that. Okay, so everything in Excel starts with a equal sign. Like these are my formulas. You can tap on it. More functions. Okay, but the first thing you first do is to put equal sign. Let's put equal sign there. Let me say 20 this shell divide by this. Say sum. Tap on it. Okay, so let's say 23. Let me say this shell divide by say divide by 0. Then you type enter. So you see, so you can see this is what this is an error. Automatically it is showing us like you cannot divide a number by 0. So automatically this error here will appear. So how can we correct this error? So this error is correct, like you should not divide the number in Excel by 0. So let's sample, then we see. Cannot divide a number by 0. So let me the first thing you do in Excel, you first put the equal sign. Let me say now this cell divide by this cell. So then you enter. So automatically you can see the answer pops in. But when you divide it by the 0, it was bringing some division sign with the stroke of 0. So in Excel, you cannot divide anything by 0. So another error is that are still under Excel. Let me show you another error under Excel. Another error is when you are trying to add a text and a number, automatically that will be an error. So let's sample. Maybe let me say this one. Let me type some word here. Let me now say I want to add this shell and this one. So this is the text. So when you're adding a text and a number, automatically it will be an error. So let's see. Let's have a look at it. So everything starts with equal sign. That's equal sign. Let me see. Then I go to formula. Under formula, let me tap on sum. So the sum of this and this one. Say this. Okay, so right. Let's first have a sample. Then we go to formulas, tap on the sum, go with the sum. Okay, so now let's have a look. The sum of this is this plus this. So let me add plus this, then this. Let me check. Let me see the sum of that, and this. Let me first see the answer it will give us. So we are adding a number and a text. So automatically this error pops in. So this error can be corrected by when you are adding the number, let it be a number and a number, not a number and a text. And so that's probably how we can correct that one. So let me take you like another error. Still we have very many errors, so this video will cover almost all of them. Another error is like when you are trying to square a negative root when you're doing calculations. So probably that also will lead to what? An error. So under Excel you should not square like something which is a negative, but lead to an error. So there are very many errors that we are going to find like under Excel. Then another error is also arises like when you are doing things of VLOOK, HLOOK calculations. You should be very, very specific when you are doing them, otherwise it will lead to errors. Anyway, if you found this video was helpful to you, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in my next video. Up next I'll be doing the real work. So if you missed like if I have not covered some of the errors here, so probably I'll do them in my next video, where I will be handling the real work of calculations on how we can make a report card. So some of these errors also arises from there. So probably stay tuned to my YouTube channel so that you'll not miss the exciting videos coming next, more still under Excel. Okay, thank you so much for watching.